Let's learn about trees. Today we're going to take a walk through the forest and talk about some trees. The first thing we're going to do is look at leaf-bearing trees. Then we're going to look at some evergreen trees which grow needles. Let's head into the forest and see what we can find. Here we have leaf-bearing trees. These trees have a tall trunk that grow into branches, and from the branches grow leaves. The leaves produce food to feed the rest of the plant. They grow through the spring and summer while they are green, and then in the fall when the weather turns cold, they lose their color. Let's take a closer look at the leaf. These leaves are still green, but they will soon lose their color too and fall to the ground. When you look up close, you can see the veins in the leaf. The veins in the leaf help to carry water and food back to the plant. Here is a brown leaf that has already fallen. You can see its veins more clearly. They carry food and water to all parts of the leaf and back into the tree. The leaf makes the food by taking sunlight and water and nutrients from the ground and turning them into food for the tree. Here is another type of leaf that is still green, and you can see the veins in it as well. Now let's head into the forest and see if we can find some evergreens. Here are pine trees. These are needle-bearing trees. They have needles that act just like the leaves. The first is a short needle pine. It has short, wide needles that go all along the branch. Then we move on to see the evergreen fir tree. The fir tree has short needles like the short needle pine, but they are kind of bushy and have prickly edges. Then finally, there is the long needle pine. The long needle pine has long, thin needles that look like the bristles of a broom. When they fall off, the long needles turn reddish brown and fall to the ground along with the pine cones. Here we see needles that have already fallen along with the pine cones, which are the seeds of the tree. I hope you all have enjoyed this look into the woods. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again soon.